We see and we witness, we report and we address. CCAM News. Hi everyone, this is Hani
and Joo Won, here to deliver news as great as the summer weather.
Joo Won, what are you thinking about?
I was thinking about the night we had the Powers Gratitude Scholarship event.
Oh, I was at the event myself. I enjoyed the sand art.
I like the G Kids worship.
I think it was a memorable event. Shall we go to tell the CCA family about it?
Sure, then let's go to the Powers Gratitude Scholarship event.
Go, go, go!
On Saturday, June 22nd, a gratitude night was held for the sponsors of the Powers Scholarship at Woncheon Baptist Church. This is a time when we remember Carl Powers, who helped Pastor Kim Jang-hwan. Mr. Carl Powers provided Pastor Kim with an opportunity to study in the U.S. and served him with constant love and support throughout his life. We gather to honor him in his deeds and to also make a pledge to practice the love of the Lord ourselves. The gratitude event in the evening for the Powers Scholarship was held in the chapel, the gym, and classrooms. It began with Pastor Lee Jong-sung's must worship. Then, soprano Park Hana and Mr. Yuyer shared their praise and testimonies. Mr. Park Kap-yong, who is the Scholarship Committee Chairman, and Mrs. Ibuni, the Scholarship Committee's Vice Chairman, reported the news of the committee. The sermon was by Pastor Park Sang-jin of the Christian School of Education with the title The Ability to Change People. Meanwhile, the Little Powers program was carried out in the gym with the praise of G Kids followed by a sand art telling the story of Pastor Kim Jang-hwan. The sermon was by Pastor Lee Jung-hoon. There was a ceremony of an oath and making of heart bags.
파워스 그분으로부터 시작된 그 사랑의 그 뜨거운 혈관의 핏줄이 우리 모두에게 전달되고 누군가에게 전달할 수 있는 그 귀한 기회를 다시 한번 느끼고 다짐하게 해주셨습니다.
나도 누군가에게 이제 이 사랑을 전해서 누군가가 참으로 변화된 삶을 살 수 있는 그러한 그 사랑의 통로가 되어야 되겠다. 그런 다짐을 새롭게 했습니다.
네, 지금까지 후원해 주셔서 감사드리고요. 이 사랑이 연결고리가 되어서 끝까지 섬겨주시고 또 관심과 후원 부탁드리겠습니다. 감사합니다.
We hope that this was a great time for all CCA family. Honey, I am already looking forward to next year.
Really? Why, Joo Won?
It's no fun if I just tell you. Why don't I give you a hint?
Okay.
What comes to your mind when you think of first graders?
They are cute and adorable. Oh, is it about the new freshman students?
Well, honey, you're amazing, very clever. There was a parenting school for first grade parents this week.
Nice. What are we waiting for? Let's go take a look.
What? Okay.
At 9:30 a.m. on Wednesday, June 26th, a parenting school seminar was held in Bethany Chapel for parents of 7-year-old kindergartners. This seminar was given by Choi Byung-jun, the vice principal of CCA. This was a lecture for parents of students who are starting first grade next year. They participated after reading the book Devotions for Sacred Parenting. It was a meaningful time for parents to share their opinions and talk to each other as the seminar was held in the form of cooperative learning method, which is how the kids will experience school as first graders. All parents who have completed their parenting school seminar have done a great job. I hope that the seminars that you participated in have helped you raise your child as a true disciple of Jesus. Bless you!
Hey, do you remember the 4th grade bicycle safety education?
Oh, how can I forget? I was afraid the bicycle might fall.
I remember learning about the biker hand signal.
Speaking of which, the 4th graders just had their bicycle safety education.
Then let's go to see.
Let's go! On June 21st and in June 27th, The fourth graders received bicycle safety education from bicycle instructors of the Joo Won Association. On this day, the students learned about the road signs, reception signals, and safety signs that they need to know when they ride bicycles on the road. They rode the bicycles in the schoolyard. The fourth graders get bicycle safety training once a year. They get lessons from professional instructors of the association, preparing for the bike riding class in the second semester of the school year. We hope that through bicycle safety education, the fourth graders have learned the safe and proper way to ride bikes. Oh, why isn't John coming?
I'm sorry, honey. I lost my pencil case and I was looking for it.
Really? I hope you find it.
Thank you. But do you know what to do when you lose something?
Well, wouldn't it be in the administration office? I'm not sure about that.
Will you come with me and see what we can do in such situations?
Sure.
Here is what happens to lost items on campus. When students or parents bring lost items to the administration office, we first check for the name of the owner written. If there is a name labeled, the office will contact your parents to take it. If there is no name on the item, the office takes a picture of the item and posts it on the homepage. When we don't find the owner of the lost property in 3 months, school uniforms are usually saved for sale at fundraising events or missionary kids or whoever eligible for scholarship. Church-related materials such as Bible or G Family will be brought to the church office. Perishable items are thrown away. When a wallet or money comes in, we keep them for more than a year. Afterwards, it is donated. If you lose things on campus, be sure to go to the administration office.
잘하고 있어. 괜찮아.
공부가 제일 중요한 건 아니야.
끝까지 도전해. 너가 하고 싶은 건 다 해.
괜찮아, 잘 될 거야.
나처럼만 커라.
모든 일은 즐겁게 하렴.
하루에 한 계단만 올라도 1년이면 365계단이다. 네가 이루고 싶은 목표를 끝까지 도전하라.
인생에서 성적은 그렇게 중요하지 않아. 시험 잘 못 봐도 되니까 공부는 열심히 해. 아빠한테 맨날 듣는 말이야.
책 열심히 봐. 원하는 일을 해서 꿈을 이루.
원하는 학원만 다녀도 돼.
더 앞으로 나아가라.
숙제 다 하면 마음대로 놀 수 있게 해줄게.
모든 걸 즐겨라. 수고했어, 오늘도.
자신감을 가지고 네가 원하는 길로 걸어가. 그러면 길이 열릴 거야.
시험 못 봐도 열심히만 해. 공부 다 하고 마음껏 놀아.
놀 땐 제대로 놀고 공부할 땐 제대로 공부해. 그렇게 해서 안 되는 건 없어.
This week's Bible meditation is on Nehemiah chapter 10 verse 29.
The Israelites made a promise with God, but soon they served another idol and drifted away from God.
But God didn't give up on the Israelites. Then they built up the rampart and got closer to God again.
The first thing they promised God was to not marry foreigners.
Because if they married them, they would serve another idol.
Do you have a promise you did not keep? Then promise that you will keep your word with God.
We hope all of you will keep your promises to God.
All this now join their brothers, the nobles, and bind themselves with a curse and an oath to follow the law of God given through Moses, the servant of God, and to obey carefully all the commands, regulations, and decrees of the Lord our Lord. Nehemiah chapter 10 verse 29. It is time to end today's news.
Hot summer has now begun. Joo Won, how can we stay healthy during this hot season?
First of all, we need to drink enough water.
Yes, also we need to wear sunblock before going out.
Don't stay outside for too long during the hottest days.
Right, sooner or later, summer vacation will begin.
Okay, please study very hard for the remaining days before the summer vacation.
We hope our CCA family will be happy all the time. Bye!